In a world where buildings danced with the earth, a wise architect spoke to a curious child. "Why do buildings sway?" asked the child. "To embrace the earth's rhythm," replied the architect. The child watched as structures swayed gracefully, their foundations rooted yet flexible. "Strength lies in understanding," the architect continued, "not in resisting." The child imagined a world where every building listened to the earth, learning its secrets. "Can we build like this everywhere?" the child wondered. "With knowledge and care, we can." The architect smiled. "Embrace the earth's dance." Hit like, subscribe, and comment to support us.